Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring your Supercell ID is active and accessible. This protects your village while you change accounts or regions. Once done, record your clan name and any recent purchases so nothing is lost. Make sure the game and your device OS are up to date. Outdated software can block region or account updates. Now, open Supercell ID settings and verify the registered email. This first step prevents accidental lockouts and sets you up to request or apply location changes safely. Next, tackle the middle steps. If you need your Supercell ID tied to a different country, submit a clear request to Supercell support explaining why and providing any required proof. Meanwhile, change your App Store or Google Play region to access region-specific offers and events. Make sure you understand payment method restrictions. Also, set your device time zone and enable precise location services so the game registers the new region correctly. These actions align account, store, and device settings for a consistent. Finally, log out of Supercell ID and sign back in so the server applies any updates. Then open the shop and season menus to confirm regional changes. Make sure clan features and matchmaking reflect expectations. Sometimes you'll need to wait a short propagation window. If something goes wrong, don't use location spoofing or third-party account sellers. Contact Supercell support with screenshots and timestamps instead. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves stuck settings without risking your account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.